Russian hackers reportedly targeted a Ukrainian energy company that plays a central role in
And I
Donald
know the
Trump's
senator's been a
impeachment.
great
A
guy.
U.S. cybersecurity firm said Russian military hackers tried to penetrate Burisma, a natural gas firm where Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden's son had a seat on the board. Donald Trump pressed Ukraine to open a corruption probe into Burisma, Hunter Biden, and his father's role when he was vice president. Democrats in Congress accused Trump of abusing his office for political gain and voted to impeach him
Article
last
2
month.
is
The
adopted.
allegation raises fears that alleged Russian cybercrime might again play a role in a U.S. presidential election. California based Area 1 Security identified the hacking of Burisma and linked it to Russia's main Directorate of Military Intelligence, or GRU. U.S. intelligence agencies believe the same hacking group, known as Fancy Bear by cybersecurity researchers, breached the Democratic National Committee in 2016 in what U.S. investigators described as part of an operation to disrupt that year's election. A leak of
President of the United
stolen
States
data
has
in
been
this case
impeached.
could also potentially
We're now
affect the
only
expected
days
impeachment
towards the
trial
end of
in the
history.
U.S. Senate. In response to these new allegations, House Intelligence Chairman Adam Schiff tweeted that, quote, the Russians appear to be at it again, and again it appears aimed to help Trump.